Assalamu alaikum. The world's biggest phone company Samsung launched a new phone, Samsung Galaxy A03 Core, which was released in Bangladesh on 15 February 2022. Anyone who buys this phone may encounter a problem. That problem is the setting option is turned off automatically, which is why you cannot change any function of this phone. In this video, we will show you how to solve this problem. Okay, let's see. Now we can see that all of the apps of this phone are working just fine. Firstly, contact, message, YouTube, good working. Others apps, my GP apps, camera options, it's also working fine. But you can see the setting option is turned off automatically. See, close the apps. That's why you cannot change any function in this phone. Okay, let's go. We are now solve this problem. Go to Play Store and enter Digital Wellbeing. Now we can see the Digital Wellbeing apps is installed. Just uninstall these apps. That's okay. Now your problem is solved. Okay, now we check the setting option is no longer turning off automatically. It's working smoothly. Now you can change any option. You can see your other settings, display settings, privacy settings, system settings, about phone. Everything is okay, working just fine. This problem is solved. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.